Well, now here's something different and fun. A 1979 Jeep Renegade. It's had a meticulous body off frame, nut and bolt restoration, has an upgraded 6-cylinder motor, 4-speed trans. It is beautiful. Can't wait to tell you all about it. Go to volocars.com if you want to look at 200 classic cars, all for sale. That's where you'll find a price tag on each one of them, including this Jeep, and a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Well, I love the color, first of all. It's really attractive and has the multicolored stripes. I don't even know if you can see the stripe on the hood. It's pretty tall. But yeah, first class body work. This is all straight, smooth, shiny. The metal flake is laid out. It's polished like glass. The complete stripe kit is in excellent shape. They re-lettered the Jeep right here. All clean, smooth metal, no rust. We even have pictures on our website of this bare shell stripped to bare metal. This is absolutely clean, straight, no issues. We'll open all this up in a little bit. CJ7, all clean, smooth. So the body and paint is phenomenal. And again, love the color. The graphics make it fantastic. It has these nice wheel lips on here, looking really good. This one has added step plates, which would make it much easier for getting into. You don't have to embarrass yourself trying to climb in. New windshield and seal. Looks like the windshield folds down. You got dual mirrors. Sitting on some big chrome wheels with BFGoodrich tires. And what size are they? I always tell myself I need to look. 33 by 10.5 15s. They look to be in excellent shape. Actually, there's only 2,500 miles on the Jeep since it's been done. LED headlights, all painted up real nice. Yeah, well, let's open the hood and we'll show you the interior a little bit closer. So obviously it has a fifth matching tire and wheel, brand new, never used. And then look at this fancy contraption. I've already pulled the pin. This swings out of the way. The tire can slide off of there. It does have a hitch receiver with the plug-in, so you can pull a small trailer with this. And I've already done the latches on the tailgate, which would fold down completely if I had more room here. I got a nice cargo mat here to set some things down. Now, the entire inside of the Jeep was stripped, all painted, a color matched like bed liner material. So let's check out the back seat. You can see there's 6x9 speakers with cup holders. And then you got a nice upholstered custom seat with seat belts. You got mats down on the floor, some rubber mats, some good ones. Roll bar, painted to match, and it has shoulder belt straps for the front passengers. Okay, let's look at the dash. Dashboard is all repainted too. All the metal is all stripped out, painted. You have, I think it's a clock over there. You have a tachometer over here on this side. Nice big speedometer, easy to read. Has a Jeep retro stereo. Just one little speaker here. Dash pad is replaced. All this is nice and clean. Let's see what's in there. It's our inspection sheet. New little glove box liner. I'm just leaning on the seat. I can tell you it's nice and firm. Looks like this side folds up so you can get in the back. Very nice inside. It has a nice cushion grip Jeep steering wheel, and it is on a tilt column. All the wiring looks like it was replaced. You see there's a auxiliary plug for your phone, for the stereo. Yeah, it looks like fun. Very nice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted, and you never know what we're going to get next. This is upgraded to a 4-liter 6-cylinder motor, completely rebuilt. I think the originals was like a 3.2 liter. New performance distributor, all HEI. It's got big fat blue plug wires. Just look how fresh. Everything on the motor looks fresh. Has a gel battery. The engine bay all painted blue. Upgraded aluminum Champion radiator with an aluminum shroud. You can see the intake, everything, the carburetor, all been refinished. This has power steering and power brakes, make it very easy for you to drive. Speaking of drive, Michael's going to go take you for a drive. We'll see in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, we're going open air here today. Something a little different. 84 CJ7, stripped down, no doors or top. Just enjoy the breeze and the quality of the restoration, of course. Enjoy that too. Meticulous frame off build here. All the suspension's been redone. Look how it's just eating up all these little bumps and cracks and potholes and everything else. You don't even feel them. Got a very tasteful and practical lift on it. But most importantly, you know, it's not bouncing all around the place. So really nice clean ride there. Really nice clean running engine too. It's got the 4-liter inline 6-cylinder out of a more modern Jeep in there, and then a 4-speed manual trans. I do believe that's Novak Conversions did that one, but don't quote me on that. Everything looks new on top and underneath as well. There's nothing that they didn't touch in this truck, and it appears to be a vast majority new parts. Well, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. Looks like we're doing about 60 or so. Yeah, this thing's got more than adequate power, whether it be on-road or off-road. Of course, it is 4-wheel drive. And yeah, it runs out real nice. This motor was just a fresh build. I think this thing's only got about 2,300 miles since it was all done. But honestly, it looks spotless everywhere you look. It's a great performing vehicle. What a blast to drive with this, open top and no doors as well. All right. And our shop went over this car top to bottom. They thought it was fantastic. We only spent about $450 total service bill. And that was just tightening up some loose ends. It was really great, very nicely dialed in when we purchased this one. And it's a real winner. That's a fact. You want to come test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. Just contact our sales department first. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to help you arrange that. You don't have time for all that, you can always go ahead and hire a third-party inspector. If you're not familiar with one, we can absolutely recommend one to you. Or if not, you can just click the buy it now and we can ship it right to your door. So, only thing I can do is encourage you to check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.
So this has a frame. The body was lifted up off of it. Everything underneath was done. You know, I'm just looking at the details. I noticed there's stainless hardware used throughout the Jeep. I do notice there's a second speaker on this side for that radio. I pointed out the speaker on that side. The windshield does fold down. Yeah, nice polished cowl vent here. But anyway, body off frame restored. It's on a lift kit. All the suspension, steering, all of that is new. It's got a big fat single exhaust, all stainless steel with a Flowmaster muffler, new fuel tank. The underbody is pristine metal. I don't know where they found this Jeep, but it was a rust-free with just fantastic metals, all painted black. You can see the springs are new, the bushings are new, the fuel lines, brake lines, disc brakes in front. This is just a fun toy here, folks. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get this delivered to your door and how to get financing. Thanks for watching.